Hello everyone. Today's article is Thai investors get $1.3 billion dividends from Vietnamese companies by Trong Hieu on 14th of May 2025. Billionaire Charoen Sirivadhanabhakdi, the third richest man in Thailand, and other Thai investors have received 33 trillion Vietnam dong, equal to 1.2 billion US dollars in cash dividends from major Vietnamese companies since 2012. Data compiled by VnExpress shows that Thai investors have benefited from the performance of dairy producer Vinamilk, brewer Sabeco, Binh Minh Plastics, packaging firm Tân Bien, and shrimp producer Sao Ta. Vinamilk, the company with the biggest dairy market share, has paid Thai shareholders 16.1 trillion Vietnam dong since 2013. Subsidiaries of beverage conglomerate Fraser Neave own a 20.4% stake in Vinamilk. Sirivadhanabhakdi's TCC Holdings acquired Singapore-based Fraser Neave in 2013. Last year, Vinamilk paid 1.85 trillion Vietnam dong in dividends to Fraser Neave. The company has repeatedly tried to buy tens of millions more of Vinamilk shares on the stock market in recent years, but failed due to unfavorable market conditions. Sirivadhanabhakdi also holds a controlling interest in Sabeco. In 2017, Thai Bev, a company under Sirivadhanabhakdi's ownership, invested $4.8 billion to acquire 53.6% of Sabeco's capital from Vietnamese Ministry of Industry and Trade. Over 8 years, Thai Bev has collected more than 14 trillion Vietnam dong in dividends from one of Vietnam's leading beer producers. In 2024, the Thai company received its largest payout to date, totaling 3.44 trillion Vietnam dong. At a press conference in Thailand in September 2022, Tapana Sirivadhanabhakdi, CEO of Thai Bev, described Sabeco as a ground jewel, a rare asset among regional beer producers. Thai Bev's investment in Sabeco reflects a long-term strategy to dominate Vietnam's beer market and establish a foothold for expansion across Southeast Asia. Beyond Vinamilk and Sabeco, Sirivadhanabhakdi, through TTC Holdings, acquired Vietnam's Metro supermarket chain for $704 million, later rebranding it as a mega market. The most profitable Thai investment in Vietnam has been the acquisition of Binh Minh Plastics. Plastics, a subsidiary of Thai's SCZ Group, gained control of Binh Minh Plastics in 2018 by buying 24.2 million shares from the State Capital Investment Corporation. An SCZ subsidiary had already become a shareholder of this leading plastic company in 2012. Plastic is estimated to have spent around 2.75 trillion Vietnam dong to acquire the stake. Since 2012, it has received over 2.5 trillion Vietnam dong in dividends. The shares held by SCZ's subsidiary have a current market value of about 7.2 trillion Vietnam dong, 3 times the initial investment. SCZ, a conglomerate with interests in cement, construction materials, packaging, and petrochemicals, controls several other Vietnamese companies like Tân Bien Packaging, Dinh Thành Packaging, and Duy Tân Plastics. It is also the behind a petrochemical complex in Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu province in southern Vietnam. The facility, which costs more than $5 billion, has an annual capacity of 1.4 million tons of products. Thai investors are also exploring opportunities in industries like finance and retail. The Siam Commercial Bank Public Company, Thailand's fourth largest bank, owns Home Credit Vietnam, while Charoen Sirivadhanabhakdi acquired SHB Finance from lender HHB. In retail, Thailand's Central Retail Group owns brands such as Go, formerly Big C, and Nguyễn Kim. Thailand is a major contributor to Vietnam's FDI story, aimed Yagana, country head of corporate banking services at HSBC Vietnam said. A 2024 HSBC survey found 66% of Thai businesses expressing interest in investing in Vietnam. Thailand ranks among the top 3 countries in terms of confidence in business development in Vietnam with a 93% rate, and behind only Vietnam itself 98% and Singapore 94%. Data from the Foreign Investment Agency shows that Thailand has been Vietnam's 13th largest investor since 1988, with total investments exceeding $14.7 billion. Thai investors primarily focus on manufacturing, putting 74% of their money in the sector. And that's the end of the news. Thank you.